Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. On today's video, I am going to be playing just a small clip of the new setup that I have started to put together. If you watch my last video, you should have known that I have already sold my music server, all my DCS pieces, and all my synergistic research cabling. What you are going to hear today, and you'll see a few clips in there embedded on the video, is the new setup that I have here, which does not include a music server, by the way. I don't have a music server, so I am using Rune to stream directly into the MSB. And of course, the crappy cables that you will see as well on the video, that were cables that I had in a shed. Literally, they're like my go-to cables that are just whenever I am in between systems. That's what I use just to get me by. So remember that what you're going to hear is a different version of what you're used to seeing. Again, this is the pure, raw, uncut state of my system. But remember, I got a lot of things coming. And that includes cables, music servers, power cords, you name it. So this is our starting point. I'm going to play one song, and I hope you guys, enjoy. We'll see what you guys think. Here we go.
With all the clarity in a dream, the sky so blue, the grass so green, the rank and file in the navy blue, the deep and strong, straight and true. The blue line, they got the given sign. The belts and boots march forward in time. The wood and the leather, club and shield, swept like a wave across the battlefield. Now with all the clarity of a dream, the blood so red, the grass so green, gleam of spur on the chestnut flame, the cavalry did burst upon the ranks. Oh, the iron will and the iron hand in England's green pleasant land. No music for the shameful scene. That night they said it had even shot the queen. We've seen it all before. Nights in armor, days of yore, the same old fears